Hello, today is July 31, 2018. Now let's take a look at today's Bitcoin price. We can see from the K chart on the daily line level below, a single long narrow downwards K line appeared yesterday. But anyway, by the end of yesterday, it was back above Fibonacci 0.382. At present, the daily trend of the whole Bitcoin is still in the second strongest long power range, and the overall range are keeping on fluctuating. There is no such strong rising trend currently, and also no obvious short trend sign. Okay, let us switch the K line to the 4 hours level so you can see more clearly about the details of the currency's price movement. As we can see from the picture, there was a step back of USDT 7,800 at 4 o'clock on July 27. The amount of K line can be significantly increased compared to the previous hours. But what we'll see later on is 8 p.m. at the same day, the long powers used a 4-hour K line to quickly get the currency back above the Fibonacci level of 0.382. As you can see from this volume level down there, compared to the decline K line at 4 o'clock a.m., the rising K line is obviously contains so much power. It suggests that when the currency breaks through the Fibonacci level of 0.382 points and return to the about 7,800, the willing of big sellers now becomes significantly strong and quickly restore the price above the Fibonacci level of 0.382. We can see from the K chart that there was 7,800 dip in the 4 hours mark at 0 o'clock last night, but finally 4 hours level K line shows a single pin with long shadow line. In other words, the currency fell to around $7,800 and was quickly pulled back to the Fibonacci level of 0.382, a process that took less than 4 hours. From these two dips, it is clear that when the currency returned to the 7,800, there will be a lot of buyers to push it up. From this point of view, it is clear that the current long powers don't want to give up the Fibonacci 0.382 level, and which is very important level. I guess it probably will fight to the last brace for holding this position. Therefore, also we can see the obvious bull from the K line, and the whole trend is still under the control of the long powers. Okay, if you guys brought the Bitcoin at the bottom of the price a few days ago, there is no need to sell at this position. You can still hold the coins. Just say that the long power has no intention to launch another attack in the short terms, so it is not recommended to overweight here. First thing you need to care about is the 0.382 Fibonacci level we mentioned all the time, which is around $8,061, which is the first support position from the long powers. The second place for you guys to focus is around $7,925. And as long as the currency does not break below this level today, the whole K line trend is still under control from the long powers. However, since today is the seventh day of fluctuation and the overall risk is pulling up, investors should keep on focus on the short terms recently, because the short term is likely to be more this fluctuation will be more severe. Okay, that's for today's Bitcoin price. Thank you.